Hey, what's up guys, FixAlex here, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove airbag on this 2022 Toyota Sienna. First thing, this is the tool that you guys gonna need, something like that, small pick tool. Okay, put your steering wheel upside down, but before that remove negative wire from your battery. On the both sides of your steering wheel there is two covers. You need to remove those two covers. Now, using flat head screwdriver, in this case on passenger side, you can see, I'm gonna show you in a second, you can see small pin over here. You gotta push it down, this pin. It's come out too fast, but anyway, I'm gonna show you in a second what I mean. So on this side, on the left, on the driver's side, on the passenger side, right here, you're gonna stick your screwdriver and you're gonna push this pin down, right here, push down. Then on the same side there is another pin, right here. You need to push it, this pin too, as you can see, like that, right here. And then same thing on this side, same thing on that side. You see, that's how you remove your airbag. And then you just need to remove two connectors using something small, like small teeny screwdriver. Lift the orange cap up and then just remove your both connectors. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, enjoy, and comment what else should I record about this car. Remove your negative wire, don't do like me.